Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Kana. Is it your birthday today? Huh? Happy birthday. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be making this peanut butter carrot cake for dogs. So if you're interested in making this yourself, just keep watching. Oh, ready to eat? Eat your breakfast? Alright, let's go. Let's go get your sister. What? Downstairs? Sit, Kona. Sit. Stay. 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 Sit, Daisy. Good girl. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jess. If you are new here, happy April 14th. Today we are going to be making a doggy birthday cake for Miss Kona here because it is her 7th birthday. So we're going to make a birthday cake for Kona out of these ingredients here. If you are interested in making this cake, just keep watching. Just a disclaimer, I got this recipe off of allrecipes.com, so if you want the printed out version, that's where I got mine from. So first it says first we gotta preheat the oven to 350 degrees. So that's what we're doing. So it says to grease a 6-cup ring mold, but I got this little cute little butt looking mold. So this is what we're gonna do to bake the cake in. We're gonna combine the egg, the peanut butter, oil, vanilla, and honey. 1 egg, peanut butter, oil. I'm using a 1/3 measure cup, so we're just gonna eyeball for the last little bit of it. Vanilla, so this is a teaspoon, and like I said, we're just going to eyeball it. I underestimated how long this was going to take. 1/3 honey. And then now we're just gonna mix this all up. We're gonna use a hand mixer because I did test this out the other day and it is hard with just one hand. So we're gonna just do that, make sure it works. So we're just gonna mix it here. You can definitely mix this by yourself, but like I said, it was really hard to mix it by hand with the peanut butter. And the cake, when I made it, it came out a little bit chalky, and I think it's because I didn't mix it really well. So we're gonna turn that off, let that hang there. And I already shredded up some carrots. I'm just gonna grab 1 cup of it. Turn this back on, and we're gonna just stir in these carrots. It says to mix the carrots with the peanut butter mixture pretty well, or thoroughly, so that's what we're gonna make sure to do. Alright, that looks good to me. Next, we are going to sift the flour and baking soda and fold it into the mixture. Just gonna get this little handy thing. And we're gonna take this out because we're not gonna need this anymore. We're gonna sift it. So we're just going to put the flour in like that. It says a tablespoon of baking soda, so we're just gonna measure it, eyeball it. And now we're just going to fold the mixture. It says to fold, not to combine, so we're just gonna keep folding until everything is all mixed together. See, my hands are already getting tired. So the mixture looks like this. And now we're gonna use my handy dandy non-stick bundt cake mold. And we're going to just put this in the pan. So I'm just patting it down so that way it gets into all the crevices of the mold. So after all this mess, we have made our cake and now we're going to go put it in the oven. It says to leave it in for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, we'll go ahead and see if everything's cooked through, and then we'll put the icing and the dog treats on top. So while the cake is baking, we're gonna go ahead and make the frosting. I got this frosting recipe from the website Love from the Oven, which is just 1/4 peanut butter and 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt. And then we're just gonna mix it until it makes this frosting like. And then we're gonna go ahead and put it in the fridge for it to kind of like make it more solid. So we're gonna do 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt. This is the brand Faye. It even says right here how to pronounce it, so Faye. And just like the cake mixture, it's gonna be 1/4 cup of peanut butter. So for me, that was 1 big scoop of this. And then 1 little scoop. She loves peanut butter, so I don't really care about if this is less or more because the cake is already filled with peanut butter. If you guys could just smell it, it is crazy. And then we're gonna use the mixer because I just feel like using this mixer. Putting it in here. And we're just gonna mix it. Okay, I can already sense that it's gonna get everywhere. We're just gonna scrape everything out. Cool. Look at that. It's kind of nice. I was gonna pipe this onto the cake, but I think I'm just gonna slap it on there because who really cares, right? So I'm just gonna saran wrap this and let it vibe out on the side until the cake is done. And then once I let the cake cool, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on top and then add some bananas and some treats so that way the cake will be all done. All right, so the cake is now all cool. I'm about to ice it with that Greek yogurt and peanut butter mixture. And I got some cut up bananas on the side. I put some icing on the bottom so it doesn't move.
Mark Wahlberg's in the other guy too. Yes.
Now I'm just gonna take these bananas and put it onto the cake. Mind you, this is a pretty big cake for a small dog, but my dog is sharing it between 2 other small dogs. The last step of this is to just smash up some dog treats and top it off the cake. And there you have it. This is that carrot peanut butter dog cake. It came out really moist and the dogs really liked it. So if you like what you saw here, make sure you like and subscribe. Bye guys. Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday, dear Kona. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, she's ready.
Blow ka na. Blow ka na.
Really?
Blow. Blow.
Yay!